timer, get this thing on the road. This was like the most stressful timer. I pretty much, what? Later, no. I pretty much died when this timer went off. It was like the end of the world, so I'm going to turn down the volume. It was really scary. And I didn't finish the algorithm in time. Okay, because I was super nervous. Okay, HackerRank Enterprise is adopting a new viral advertising strategy. When they launch a new product, they advertise it to exactly 5 people on social media. On the first day, half of those 5 people, floor 5 divided by 2 equals 2. Okay, like the advertisement, and each person shares it with 3 of their friends. The remaining people, advertisement, and each person shares it with 3 of their friends. The remaining people delete the advertisement because it doesn't interest them. So at the beginning of the second day, floor 5 divided by 2 times 3 equals 2 times 3. 6 people receive the advertisement. Okay, on the second day, half of the 6 people who receive the advertisement share it with 3 new friends. Okay, same as the first day. So at the beginning of the third day, floor 6 divided by 2 times 3 equals 3 times 3 equals 9. People receive the advertisement. The diagram below depicts the advertisement's virality over the first 3 days. Green denotes a person that likes the advertisement, and red denotes a person that disliked and deleted it. Okay, cool. Makes sense. Yeah, 3, half, 5 people, 3 of them, yeah, rounding down, all right. Yeah, we want to keep it realistic now. Assume that at the beginning of the ith day, m people receive the advertisement. Floor m divided by 2 people like and share it with 3 new friends, and m minus floor times m divided by 2 people dislike it and delete it. At the beginning of the I plus 1th day, floor m divided by 2 times 3 people receive that advertisement. Given an integer n, find and print the total number of people who liked HackerRank Enterprise's advertisement during the first n days. It is guaranteed that no 2 people have any friends in common after a person shares the advertisement with a friend, and the friend always sees it in the next day. It is guaranteed that no 2 people have any friends in common, of course not, and after a person shares the advertisement with a friend always sees it the next day. Okay, got it. A single integer n denoting a number of days. Print the number of people who liked the advertisement during the first n days. Okay. It seems like the calculations for who didn't see it are kind of a waste because they're not asking how many people didn't see it. Print the number of people who liked the advertisement during the first n days. Right. Okay. This example is depicted by the diagram at the top of the challenge. 2 people liked the advertisement on the first day, 3 people liked the advertisement on the second day, and 4 people liked the advertisement on the third day. So the answer is 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9. Okay. That makes sense. All right. I'm going to get the input. I guess the input is just n. So, okay. Denoting number of days. All right. Var num of days equals read line. I think this is how we do this. Yeah, I think that's right. Number of days. Now, okay, print the number. All right, so And it's always starting with 5 people. On the first day, you know what? They advertise it to exactly 5 people on social media. Okay. So 3 days. Okay, so day 1 there's 2. Day 2 there's 3. Day 3 there are 4. Day 4 9. So the first day should result in 2. We're going to go for day and 0, number of days. Let's do 1. Now, we're going to go okay, so okay, so start targets divided by 2. We're going to put that in here. You get the floor. Alright. Var result equals cool. Result. Let's see. Starts off with 0 people. So result equals, and just make sure this is the right type. Actually, it would be the right type. Wait. Divide by 2. It floors anyway. Wonder why that's. Oh yeah, if I have it as an integer, it just rounds down anyway. Okay, so results equals plus result. Oops. Okay. Is that it? Maybe we should change this to people reached. Damn, this would be so easy if that's it. There's gotta be some weird edge cases. Number of days. Yeah, dang. There's gotta be some weird edge cases. Oh, I didn't change start targets. Okay. Because this will be the people that are hit the next day. People reached. Seems to be in the right places. God, is that it? It's gotta be something else. Divided by 2, yeah. Okay, I'm resisting the urge to just submit it. I'm gonna actually try a couple cases. 1 day, so it hits this once. People reached is 0 plus 0 plus start targets divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2 in computer science because you drop the remainders and this is an integer, so the decimal points get left out. So 5 divided by 2 is 2. People reached 2 equals start targets. We're setting start targets equal to 2, and then the for loop is done, and then we print 2. That seems right. Now I'm going to try it for 2 days. For day 1 and 2, 1 we're going to go through and get 2, and then for day 2, people reached is equal to 2. Wait. People reached. Yeah, 2 plus 2. Or no, 2 plus, start targets. It is more complicated. Start targets 2 divided by 2 is 1. So it would be 3. I'm not adding from the last time. Okay. Equals 0. So adder. Ooh, are the people that are left in, are they constantly sharing every day? Looks like they are. No. Are they? No, because 1 is not sharing, as we could see. It's not like 1 is shooting up to day 3. So, okay. Okay, so for day in, I'm gonna write this out. Okay, so for day, let's say we're given 2. So for day in 1 ... 2, people reached equals 1. Let's see, no, it equals people reached equals 0 plus start targets 5 divided by 2. So that gets to 2. Now start targets is now 2. But this wound up with 3. Oh, 2. Yeah, I think that might be right. Okay. Let's see, start targets 2. Okay. Now for day and 2. Okay, start targets equals 2 divided by 2. Oh, they tell 3 people. I'm not accounting for that. people reached times 3. I think that's better. People reached times 3. Then we get 6. This becomes 6. And then start targets is 6. Divided by 2 equals 2. And then people reached I think I need to take this off. Oops. Yeah. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. People reached. And then people reached is going to be okay. Last round. People reached last round. Last round. And then total people reach equals people reach last round. Okay, now I'm going to try this. So for day in 1.2, we have start target 5 divided by 2 equals 2. And then start targets, people reached last round equals 2 times 3. Start targets equals 6 because 2 times 3 equals 6. And then people reached last round equals 2. And then that gets added to total people reached, 2. And then the result would be 2 if we stopped here. Now, we're going to go one more iteration for day in 2.2. Let's see, people reached last round. Let's see. Start targets equals 6 divided by 2 equals 3. People reached last round. And then 3 times 3 equals 9. So start targets next round is 9. And then people reached last round is 3. So we're going to add that to the total people reached, and we're going to get 5, which is correct. Now let's go one more iteration. So for day in 3.3, people reached last round is 3. 3 from last time, but start targets is 9 divided by 2 is going to be 4. 4 looks correct. 4 times 3 is going to be 12. People reached last round is 4. And we're going to add that to the 5. We're going to get 9, which is the correct answer. All right, cool. I think that's good enough to run it. See if there are any errors. Okay, cool. Of course, what? Int, optional int. Okay, I forgot to unwrap this optional, because when we convert from string to integer, it might fail. Therefore, it should be an optional. And because it's an optional, I need to unwrap it. Let's see, expected an argument list of type bound. Okay, so it might be having the same error, or a variant, or symptomatic error. Okay, cool. Looks good. All right, let's do it. All right, cool. My first challenge completed within the hour. I don't have to listen to this scary pot